Hi there, my name is Robert Hawk, and I'm a Sitecore Technology MVP from the Netherlands. In this short video, I would like to walk you through the new changes in version 14.0 of Sitecore JSS. For those of you who haven't heard of or used Sitecore JSS, here's a quick summary. Sitecore JSS stands for JavaScript Services and is a complete SDK for JavaScript developers that enables you to build full-fledged solutions using Sitecore and modern JavaScript UI libraries and frameworks, such as React, Angular, or Vue.js. When Sitecore released version 10 of their digital experience platform on August 4th of this year, 2020, Sitecore JSS got a new version as well. In this video, let's find out if there are a lot of new changes compared to the previous version for Sitecore 9.3. One of the bigger changes for this Sitecore 10 release was that the headless development offering for Sitecore got a rebranding. So meet Sitecore Headless Services and say goodbye to JSS server components as a name. Sitecore Headless Services provides all the APIs, such as the layout service, dictionary service needed for the JavaScript SDK, also known as Sitecore JSS. As you can see, Sitecore JSS got a little brother on the side to do ASP.NET Core headless development. The great thing about headless development with Sitecore is that while accessing Sitecore in a headless way, the content author is still able to use the experience editor, have Sitecore tracking capabilities, and provide marketing features from the digital experience platform. This video won't focus on the ASP.NET Core offering, but purely on the Sitecore JSS offering. Hi, so if we have a look at the release notes for Sitecore JSS version 14, we can see that there hasn't much changed in this release. In the 14.0 release, you can see two new PRs that have been fixed. Fixes with Sitecore context TypeScript definition and the types of the render function in the placeholder component props are not correct or missing. If we look at the 14.0.01 release, we can see a couple of pull requests that have been committed and some example changes. So if we have a look at the commits, we can actually see it's all changes for when working with mostly with React. This TSX extension implies that a module, which is in this case for Sitecore JSS is written in TypeScript, is related to React and uses the JSS syntax, JSX syntax. So as far as we can see in this newer version, let's check out the JSON files. We can mainly see that it's just minor versions updates and some minor improvements on the React side. So as you can see here, this is just for the React implementation of Sitecore JSS. So let's update our Sitecore JSS CLI if you have an older version installed. So let's check out if we have an older version installed. So that's the JSS version. And as you can see here, I've got this version 13.1 for Sitecore 9.3 installed. So all we have to do right now is basically run, let's do this, let's paste this in. Okay, the pasting doesn't work. Let's do npm install -g for global, and then do add Sitecore JSS / Sitecore JSS CLI. So now it's upgrading to the latest version, as you can see here. Maybe you're checking it out fast enough. So as you can see here, this was updated to version 14.01. So let's run that JSS - version again. As you can see now, the new version has been installed. If we want to downgrade, however, back to the old version again to work with Sitecore 9.3, we can just we can do exactly this command, but then we specify a specific version. So we actually specify the version 13.1.493. You can check out the compatibility table on the JSS release website. So let's run this, and now it actually downgrades to an older version of Sitecore JSS. So if we now run JSS version again, we can see that an older version has been installed, 13.1. So in this case, I'm going to update to the newest version for Sitecore 10, the newest version for Sitecore JSS, which is 14.0.1. Thanks for watching.